And good morning, Facebook. Don't know what happened then. The Wi-Fi dropped out. Well, another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. It's not bright and it's not sunny. Got my jumper on today. Got my Diagnostic Connections jumper on. It's Baltic. Might have put a bob hat on later. I don't know what's going on. Well, it is what it is. Yeah, Adblue. What's going on? Oh boy, we're having a run on these little Peugeot Citroën vans. We've got two in at the minute. Came in yesterday. Had two last week. And I've got another couple booked in later on in the week. It's absolutely mental. It is. All sorts of faults with him. If you're a driver of a car and you've got Adblue on your car, the bills are coming whether you like it or not. It's whoa, what a finicky system it is. It just seems to be thousands of pounds worth of extras bolted onto an engine to make it break down. It's rubbish. Morning, Jason. How are you, mate? But luckily for us, we've got the for the Peugeot Citroëns and all that. We've got the dealer tools. Morning, Darren. How are you, mate? So we can get through it, but it's a tricky process. And then even when you fix it, the resets, it's not just a button for a reset. A lot of them you've got to do a drive cycle and all that. Morning, Keith. Morning, Adam. So yeah, lots of fun and games with Adblue at the minute. Yeah, seems to be doing a run on it. Ross is in work. Good lad, Ross. Hey, good lad, Ross. Hope you had your square sausage, mate. Yeah, Adblue. What's that all about? Yeah. Top tip: if you're an Adblue driver of an Adblue car, don't buy your Adblue from the filling stations. It sits in the sun, gets hot, gets cold. The quality deteriorates, and then next minute you've got an Adblue warning light on. Vehicle no starting in 650 miles. And a tatty scone, good lad. Send us one down here, kid. Yeah. Don't be buying your Adblue from petrol forecourts. Yeah, it's not the way to do it. But you can get yourself a decent source, and if you need a workshop to top it up, ask them to test the quality of the Adblue before they top your tank up, and follow the recommended top-up procedures from the manufacturer. Because if you don't do that, that can cause problems as well. Good lad, good lad. Cheers, mate. What else have we got going on? Not a lot really. Got Adblue for days. Coming out, got Adblue problems coming out my ears. Morning, David. How are you, mate? Yeah. It's not bright and it's not sunny today. I've got my shorts on, but I've got like I say, I've got my jumper on, and might have to get down and get myself on the next Tech Topics course. Just have a bit of a brush up on Adblue. They run a brilliant Adblue course, so I might get myself on the next Tech Topics course, and we'll have a look at that. But meanwhile, we get the old. If we look here, this is the dealer tool. This is the Peugeot Citroën DS new Vauxhall dealer tool, and we just have a quick look at this. So this is the van that's on the ramp. It's got loads of faults in it. Left rear wheel speeds, sensors, all sorts of stuff. Steering wheel angle, and all these can bring the Adblue light on, believe it or not. And then we go the dreaded P20EE92, depollution of the NOx system effectiveness, performance or operation does not conform, intermittent. Lovely. And we can see there the NOx content downstream, 235 parts per million. Estimate of the thermal aging of the DeNOx cap, 0%. Has somebody been doing some resets? Maximum additive threshold of additive. Morning, Andy. Yeah. So these particulate filters on the PSAs, they've got a design life of 85,000 miles. Accelerator pedal fault, signal not received or out of range. Like I say, all these can bring on Adblue faults. So that's one. Then we go on to the next one. much of a muchness. Not as many faults in this. P20EE92 Adblue fault. Morning Clayton, how are you mate? Yeah, really good. Yeah, cracking system that PayGo, way to go. Oh dear, but it's not just them, to be honest, it's all of them. It's all of them. But whatever the issues you're having, just remember it's currently not permitted to remove an emissions limiting device or an emissions control device. So if you have an Adblue delete or something like that, you're in big problems if you get caught. Don't do it. It's there for a reason. We've got to follow the letter of the law. So bespoke software solutions may not be the solution. Morning Michael, how are you mate? Find yourself your nearest member of SimplyDiag.net and get the job done right. Right, anyway, I'm going to have my second number 9 of the day. I'll just wait for Ross to send me my square sausage and my tatty down, and then that's it. We'll crack on. Go and have an awesome day. So whatever you're doing today, have an awesome day. If it was your birthday yesterday and missed it, happy birthday for yesterday. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.